Hi everyone. Welcome back to the Talkish English Channel. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Thank you for joining us today. In this video, we'll show you a simple English conversation for beginners.
Yes. We'll talk slowly, clearly, and use easy everyday English so you can follow along easily.
So Alex, let's start with something simple. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. A little tired, but good. How about you?
I'm feeling great today. I slept well, so I have a lot of energy.
That's nice to hear. What did you do this morning?
This morning, I woke up early. I made breakfast, drank some tea, and listened to music.
Sounds relaxing. What kind of music did you listen to?
I listened to some soft pop music. It helps me feel happy in the morning.
I like soft music too. I usually listen to it when I'm working.
Oh really? What time did you start working today?
I started around 9. Before that, I had coffee and checked my messages.
Same here. I always check my phone in the morning. It's a habit now.
A strong habit. So what are your plans for later today?
Later, I'm going to meet a friend. We'll have lunch together.
Nice. Where are you going to eat?
Maybe a small cafe near my house. They have good sandwiches.
Sounds delicious. I think I will cook at home today.
What will you cook?
Probably rice and vegetables. Something simple.
Healthy. That's good.
Yeah, I'm trying to eat healthier these days.
Same here. Eating healthy makes me feel good.
So Emma, what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like reading, walking, and watching movies.
What kind of movies do you enjoy?
I enjoy funny movies and adventure movies. What about you?
I like action movies, but I also enjoy documentaries.
Oh, documentaries. That's interesting.
Yeah, they help me learn new things.
True. Learning is always good.
Speaking of learning, everyone watching can also learn English by practicing simple conversations like this.
Yes, repeating easy sentences and listening to daily conversations helps a lot.
For example, simple questions like how are you, what do you like to do, what did you do today?
These questions help you start a conversation in real life.
Exactly. So Emma, what did you eat for breakfast today?
I ate toast and eggs. What about you?
I had cereal and an apple.
Healthy choice again.
I'm trying. But sometimes I eat too much chocolate.
Me too. Chocolate is impossible to resist.
Absolutely. So how's the weather today where you are?
It's sunny and warm. A perfect day for going outside. How about your place?
It's a little cloudy, but still nice.
Cloudy weather makes me feel calm.
Same. It's relaxing.
By the way, I wanted to ask you, do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. Cooking helps me relax.
Nice. I like cooking too, especially on weekends.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making pasta. It's easy and tasty.
Pasta is always a good idea.
Yes. So Alex, what do you usually do at night?
At night, I usually watch something on YouTube or read a book.
That sounds peaceful.
What about you?
I usually listen to music or call my family.
That's sweet.
Family time is important to me.
I agree.
So everyone watching, remember, simple English is powerful.
Yes. You don't need long sentences. Just speak clearly and practice often.
And don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
Definitely. The more you speak, the better you become.
All right, everyone. That's our simple English conversation for beginners today.
We hope you enjoyed learning with the Talkish English Channel.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to practice your English.
We'd love to read your sentences.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.